Right, last video for our chapter or module or whatever you would like to call it. Says you have $500,000 saved for retirement. Your account earns 7% interest. How much will you be able to pull out each month if you want to be able to take withdrawals for 15 years? So what are we given here? We start the account. This is going to be a payout annuity that's starting with 500,000. We're not pulling out 500,000 at regular increments. It's starting with $500,000. It has a rate of 7%, that's 0.07. They want to know how much can we pull out each month? What is that withdrawal amount, that D value, going to be if we are pulling out 12 times in a year for 15 years? So if you notice, this is going to be the payout annuity formula. P naught is the D value minus 1 times 1 minus 1 plus R over K to the negative NK power over R over K. But we need the D, the withdrawal amounts, to be alone on one side of the formula. Now, I believe we did do this in the loans section where these values, it was the same formula. It's just we were talking about loans instead. We solved for the withdrawal amount, the payment amount, that D value in that section. So if you go back, you can check on there to get to there, or you could just resolve. You multiply both sides by R over K, and then you divide by this whole thing to both sides, all right? And that's going to get us the initial amount times R over K divided by that whole big set of parentheses, that whole big value. That's going to be the amount for our withdrawal, how much we would be able to withdraw if that's the amount we started with and we wanted to be able to go for that period of time with monthly withdrawals. All right, so a little double part in this example. We're now going to use that formula. Everything we're given, we're plugging in. I just wanted to have that D, that withdrawal value, separate so that I could just plug my values, put them in my calculator, and call it a day. So that withdrawal amount is going to be 500,000. Make sure you're counting your zeros carefully. Times R over K, that's 0.07 over 12. Divided by 1 minus 1 plus 0.07 over 12 to the negative NK power. That's negative 15 times 12. We put that onto our calculator all at once, and we should get 4494.14135, so on and so forth. All right, so that is monthly withdrawal amount of $4,494.14. We keep that 4 as a 4 because it had a 1 that followed it. I hope that this all worked out okay. Again, this section, this module chapter is a little difficult with the calculator use. So please, please, please be practicing with that. Let me know if you have any problems. Let the tutoring department, Miss Dana, if she is here, let her know if you have any issues with that.